Okay, picture this. A senior WordPress developer on call 24/7, builds whatever you ask, and never once sends you a bill. It's called Studio Code. Think Claude Code, but for WordPress. It used to live only in the terminal, but now it's right inside of WordPress Studio, so you can choose how and where you want to work. And yeah, you can just talk to it like any other AI. Tell it what you want, it goes and does it. But the part I really like, the slash commands. There's a whole bunch of them, and they're genuinely great. So that's what I want to show you today. I'm Ryan Welcher, a developer advocate at Automattic, and these are my favorites. Not all the slash commands, just the ones that I always reach for. Annotate. This is the one that I always start with. Run it, and Studio Code pops your site open in a browser. And here's the bit I love. I just walk through the site like a normal person. I click on something, say this headline, and I tell it what I want. Make it bigger, change the copy, whatever, and then save it. And picking mode stays on, so I click the next thing, and I leave notes as I go, stacking them all up in one pass. I'm not running the command over and over, it's literally open the site, walk through it, make my notes, hit go. When I'm done, Studio Code hands me a numbered list of everything I asked for. I confirm, and it goes and makes every single edit. No screenshots, no marked up images going back and forth, just point, describe, and done. Now think about doing this live. You're on a client call sharing your screen and the client's just pointing as you talk. Change that, move that, delete that. You can leave a note on each one, bundle it all up, and Studio Code makes the edits after you hang up. My next favorite is Preview. When you want to actually see the site, this pushes a shareable preview up to WordPress.com. So you send a real link to a real site, not a static markup, the actual thing. And the nice part, this is all running locally on your machine. Nothing touches their live site until you decide to sync it. So you can build, break, redo, whatever. The client never sees a half-finished thing. Studio Code doesn't just build things, it'll audit them. Here are 3 more commands that I keep coming back to. Need for Speed runs a performance audit on your site. Kick it off, watch it go. This is a good one to run before you hand anything over to anybody. Rank Me Up runs a full on-page SEO audit. Your titles, meta descriptions, heading structure, alt text, open graph and Twitter cards, structured data, your sitemap, all of it. And it hands you back a report with what's wrong and what to actually do about it. And finally, Taxonomist. It reads every post on your site and suggests a better category structure. So if your categories have, grown a little bit into a swamp over the years, it'll untangle that for you. One thing worth saying, this is all in beta right now, which means it's free to use while it's still in beta. So if you were ever going to kick the tires on this, it's a pretty good time. So those are the ones that I'd reach for first. Studio Code's in the WordPress Studio desktop app now. Just talk to it, and Annotate is the first one that I'd run. Go grab WordPress Studio, point it to a site, and tell me in the comments which command's your favorite. I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next one.